In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Customer.io tutorial. So Customer.io, a powerful automated messaging platform. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with Customer.io, set up automated workflows, and send targeted messages to your audience. Whether you want to nurture leads, engage customers, or drive conversions, Customer.io helps streamline communication through emails, SMS, push notifications, and more. So first, what is Customer.io? So it is a marketing automation tool designed for businesses to send targeted and personalized messages based on user behavior, events, or other conditions. It is particularly useful for automating email campaigns, setting up transactional messages, and creating complex workflows. Unlike traditional email tools, Customer.io allows you to create multi-channel communication strategies, meaning you can engage customers on the platform they prefer, whether that's email, SMS, or mobile push notifications. It's ideal for businesses of any size, especially SaaS companies, e-commerce brands, and startups looking to improve engagement through automation. So now let's move on to our Customer.io dashboard. So when you just created your account, you will now be redirected here to our homepage or simply our dashboard. So as you can see, they have a guide right here that says your setup list. So to get your account ready and send automated messages that people like to receive, you'll need to follow all of these steps first. And from here in your homepage, you will also see this video guide or video tutorial uh, to get started or help you with setting up your messages. So now for the other features of Customer.io, you can also see analysis right here in the left-hand side. So as you can see, you will analyze the impact of your messaging right here. So you will see all of these tables and metrics for your performance. Next is campaigns. So again, you can create your campaigns right here. You'll also see your created campaigns right here. So I'm just going to view on a sample workspace. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. So this is the sample campaigns. You will see that it is running. You will see the number of delivered, open, click, and converted messages. So as you can see right here. Next is broadcasts. Again, let's just view and sample workspace. So as you can see, this is how the broadcasts will look like. So you will see your newsletters right here. So let's say this is the monthly newsletter. It's already sent. You will see that it has been delivered to 32.2% of the 509 sent emails. It's already 40.9% opened, clicked, and 0% converted. So let's look at the monthly newsletter. Let's see the content. So as you can see, this is the sample of the newsletter. You can also see test, the sent, and all of the recipients of this newsletter. Now let's move to transactional. Here, as you can see, you'll see your transactional API. You'll see your messages right here and all of these graphs. Next is deliveries and drafts. As you can see, this is all of the deliveries that you have created. It's already delivered to all of these emails right here. You can also see your drafts. As you can see, it's just drafted to these recipients or persons. This is date created. Now let's move on to people. So as you can see, let's just view a sample workspace again. So as you can see, these are all of the people. You will see all of the emails right here that you have added. You will see their ID. You will also see when they are created. You can also see conditions right here to filter out all of your contacts or all of the people you have added. Now let's move on to custom objects. So this is just your data in words. So as you can see, you can create, associate, and utilize the data that matters most to your business and customers. So your plan includes two object types. So you can have any combination of people and objects you like. So just click here on create object type. Let's say we want to create companies. Click on next right here in the top right. And from here, simply select or fill up all the informations right here. So this would be the liquid code in the bottom. Let's say which best describes your end customer. Save both and click on Save Changes in the lower right. And as you can see, new object type has been created. So we have this object type right here. Let's go to segments. These are the sample segments. So this includes all the people who have created at this code, signed up, have not logged in recently, so you can add people to all of these segments. Next is activity logs. You'll see all of your activity logs right here. You can also add people. So you will see the activity logs right here. They also have this timestamp. Next is data and integration. Let's go to data index. They have integrations right here. You can import CSV files such as your customers or data. And of course, export your customer.io data out to a spreadsheet. And next is content. So you'll see your message library right here, assets, email layouts, snippets, and the collections. So basically, the first thing you need to do to get started is right here in the setup list. So first, just click on add people. So now from here, you can either add a single person, or if you want to connect or integrate this other platforms, you can do so. So let's say I'm just going to add a single person. So just here, just add a new person right here to add a person or add people. Next is click here on create your first message. So as you can see, you can either start with a campaign, start with a newsletter. So you can also re-engage inactive users, order confirmation, onboarding campaign, or anniversary campaign. So I prefer you select this start with a campaign. Just going to name it test. This is view sample workspace. So let's say this is the campaign that you created. You'll have the triggers right here, the settings, the workflow, which is the most important. So you will see video tutorials right here in the dashboard or in your homepage to see how to create those workflows. So again, just click here to create your first message. You can either start with these. Next is you want to set up your messaging channels. So you can select email or in-app or Twilio or push or Slack or webhooks. So just select your email right here. So add your email domain. So for Twilio, just select or add your account. And lastly, simply send your message to your contacts. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.